Hello, you're welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how we can create the polygon blocks using the Python code that I created myself, so that you don't need to do it manually. It's going to do automatically and create for you accurately all the polygons that you need in some part of the videos that we are going to see when you come to the spectral analysis and also the radiogenic generation. It will help a lot. So from the project, you're going to download, which is EKT1. You open it, you see a Python code. Then you right click, here is show more, but make sure that you have open code with code. You need to have this code editor, which is a Visual Studio. You see it, Visual Studio Code, which you need to download. It is a Visual Studio. You see that is a Visual Studio. That is the code you download. Let me remove this one. So this is the code. Inside the code, I say profile result, which is empty. All you need to do is just go and download Visual Studio Code, which is free. Visual Studio Code is free. It does that. It's a Visual Studio Code. You download it free of charge. Then after which you need to install Python on your computer, which you can go and download Python, install it on your computer. Then also follow the path. You can check online and see how to install Python on your computer. And also you try to install what is called NumPy, or you can use the Anaconda, which is straightforward. This is the code. This is the NumPy is the one you need to import to computer, because without this you cannot run the code. Make sure that you install Python, follow the instruction how to install Python. You can Google online straight away. Then also you install NumPy. It's just to copy the code, go to your command line, click here, then put CMD, type CMD command prompt. So this way you just paste the code. After you install Python, pip install, which is a pip install NumPy. When you click on this, make sure you have internet connection. You press enter on your keyboard. It's going to install it on your computer. But make sure that you have Python installed first before you do this. Make sure you're on the internet, that you run this, that you're able to install this package so that you're able to run. Then the next thing, you don't need to tamper with all this part. All you need to remember, this is only the portion of the work that you need to look at. This is the minimum longitude. This is the maximum longitude. Minimum latitude minus you need to change. For our study area is 4.8. Maximum is this. 97.3. This is this. So this is only the value you need to change. Yeah. Now this is the number of block per column of this. So now if you look at this or area, this study area is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you have 5, that's making 25. Then we are going to overlap. You take this one to this. This is 1. The center is P1. Then this will be 2. This will be 3. Then this will be 4. Then this will now be 5. Then 6, 7. Then 8. At the end of the day, you are going to have 16. That will be 4. That will be 4. That will make 16. So this is how it is done. So if you select 5 here, then you are going to overlap 4 overlapping blocks. If here is 6, then you have 5 overlapping blocks. If here is 4, you are going to have 3. But because you see this is 0.5, difference 0.5, I decided to go to 4. If you have large size, like the difference of 1 degree or 2 degrees, you can increase this one. So by putting 5, you are going to get 16 in this result. All you need to do, you make sure that this one is there. Run code is also an extension you have. You can write it there. Okay, so you press this one. Is a code you are going to look at. So it's a run code. It's something that you are going to, you see, run Python file. Then you can run the Python file, or anywhere you can either write the Python file. You are going to run it. So you click on this, run Python file. If you click on this, then you see what will happen. You see the command not found. That's why you see it does not find the command. So we need to able to click on run code with the code runner, which you can come to extensions. Right, you come to extension, then you write it. Otherwise, you have to come to the command, you write Python, then you install it. So you come to view, minimize this one, you come to view, terminal, Then here you can write Python. There you say create shape file, simple like this, .py. Then this will run it for you. You see it? This will run it for you straight away. It does say Python create, then Python, because you have installed Python, you see the code has been created, polygons created successfully. Just type Python create this, go to your view, go to terminal, then you type this code, Python create this. That's all you need. Then now you close it here, then click on this to show, then go to your result. You see them? It has created 16 Polygon files. You see them? These are the boundary files it has created for us automatically. All you need to do, can now close this one here. Then we'll go back to our ETR. Where is this Python code? There you see this is the result. You click the first one, hold the shift on the keyboard, click on the second one, and you say you copy it. I'm Windows 11, copy it, then go to our new project, AKT2, then go to polygons, then you paste it there. Right click, paste. Now you see, so those are the 16 we have. So this is how we create the blocks. So this is perfectly, we are going to create it. It's going to work that way. Just make sure that you have Python installed. You have installed Visual Studio Code. You have import NumPy. Go to the command line, pip install NumPy. It's there on YouTube. The rest you are able to find it. That's how we're able to create these Polygon files.